Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indunjaba. I often hear people speaking about their relationships or their work and service to the community with a lot of resentment. I'll hear people say things like, my partner or so and so in our community circle is not fairly contributing. My partner's not doing enough of the dishes. I do more of the dishes. We should be doing equal amounts of the dishes. My partner's not earning enough money. We should both be contributing equal amounts of money. I hear it in community settings too. So and so is not giving as much to this collective effort or ceremony or whatever it happens to be as I am. And then there's a lot of hurt feeling and resentment. And I think there's a logical fallacy to framing our expectations that way. Ultimately, in a relationship or a marriage, it's not the case that each party will give 50%. In fact, because it's a marriage, both parties should be giving 100%. 100%. And if both parties are giving everything they have to that relationship, then there won't be resentment. Now, I understand some people are not giving 100%, but the comparison shouldn't be, are they giving everything that I'm giving, equal amounts of time on dishes, kids, earning money, or whatever? It should really be, are they giving 100% of their ability and putting in that effort, even though the results of the efforts might be different for two different people. Two different people will have different earning power. Two different people, may have different demands and structure to their work life, home life, personal goals and expectations, and that might shift and change over the course of a marriage. So that has to be negotiated all the time. It is fine to challenge your partner and say, hey, I don't think you're giving 100% of your effort to this. But we have to turn that around and look introspectively at ourselves. Am I giving 100% of my effort to this? At the same time, I see this happen in our ceremonial space. Oh, I've come X number of days to this ceremony to help people, and so has not come as many days as me. I'm giving way more than I should. They're not giving as much as they should, so I'm going to back off or withhold my support or what have you. But we're all in different life circumstances. Maybe someone who's devoting less time to it has very small children they need to tend to. They are giving everything that they can, and we shouldn't beat them up about that. Or they have personal things going on, or different kinds of struggles, or just different kinds of stamina for being in mixed company in public spaces. So I have found that it's helpful for me to challenge myself to give 100% of my ability to the things that I have made commitments to. Relationships, my wife, my kids, things like that, to my ceremonial obligations and things like that. And as long as I'm not putting an unfair expectation on other people to match, my days, number of hours, types of contribution, I find myself much happier, much less resentful, and much more able to have genuine reciprocal respect with the people that I work with, and a more effective involvement in all the things that I'm involved with. So instead of give each 50%, give 100%, and everything goes much smoother. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.